What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2015 Porsche Carrera GTS. We bought this Porsche from a salvage auction with a minor front end and rear collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 through 3, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. I was buying the car, rebuilding, and in the last video, in part 3, we did the GT3 conversion. So in the last video, we dropped off the car at the Porsche dealership for the final reset and program. So in this video, we're gonna pick up the car and I'll show you guys how to register a salvage vehicle in California. And after that, we'll wash and detail the car and it's ready for delivery. And at the end of the video, you guys get to meet the new owner. So super excited about this video. And I want to say a big thank you to you guys, whoever watched this whole entire rebuild. Thank you guys so much. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. Just got the best phone call. I got a phone call from a Porsche dealership. They said, Vlad, your Porsche is ready, come and get it. So we're gonna go pick it up right now. And I got my wife, she's gonna drop me off. Good old Benz that I rebuilt for her. Uber's here. My Uber's here. Hi.
Free Uber.
Free Uber is the best Uber. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up the car and then I'm gonna show you guys how to register a salvage car in California. So I'll show you guys every step of the way to get your registration. So let's go. Just got to the Newport Beach Porsche dealership. We're gonna go get our car and we'll head to DMV and start doing the paperwork to register the car. Let's go. There she is. That's it. I paid everything, got the keys. We're ready to go. Next stop gonna be a DMV and then we'll do lights and brakes. So let's see what they did. Fire in the hole. So now when we put it in reverse, boom, we got a camera and no more failure backup. Yeah, awesome, I like it. Let's rock and roll, guys, let's do this. We're pulling up to lights and brake inspection right now, so we'll do that real quick. And then after that, we'll go to the DMV to do the VIN verification. we just finished with the inspection. Everything is good. So next stop at DMV. So we'll go down there. Man, I love driving this thing. So much fun. Plus it screams. For sure, you catch tickets with this car. Too much fun with this car. It'll get you in trouble real quick with the law enforcement. So yeah, next stop is DMV. Let's go. That's it, done with VIN verification. See guys, very simple. He just comes out, looks at the admission sticker, make sure everything is good, checks all the VIN numbers on the car, make sure the dash and the pillar matches the VIN number, and pretty much that's it. He gives you a piece of paper and that's it. I'm done. So now I take all that paperwork to the dealer's DMV and we get ourselves a temporary plates so the customer can drive this car legally, and it's already will be registered under his name as well, and then he should get the plates in the mail within like a week or so. So simple and easy. So reach out guys. Once again, I could only register your car if you live in California, but if you live in other states, I could still purchase the car for you, but I can't register it, so you're gonna have to go through this process yourself. But as you guys saw, very easy and simple. So bada bing, bada boom, how they say. So let's go back to the shop, or start detailing the car and getting ready for delivery. We're a little low on the gas, so we're gonna gas this up before the customer picks it up tomorrow. Today is Friday, like I said, and he's flying in tomorrow 11 o'clock in the morning. So then he's driving back to Northern California. So we'll gas the car up as always. Put 91 only. Let's see how much full tank's gonna be. We got a full tank, 43 bucks, not bad at all, and the gas is at 365. Bam. Boom, we got a full tank, boys. It's always a good feeling when you get a full tank of gas. Up to the shop. What is this? What are you doing, bud? Making a U-turn or what? Or maybe picking up a car? Or maybe making a U-turn. Or he's gotta let me go. Alright, thank you, buddy. Full house. Full house. Here's the best part, guys. Check it out. Reverse. Boom! We got a camera, so we know where we going, you know? That's the best part. Just like that. Boom, and we're perfect. I know I read some of your comments on the last video and you guys were saying, hey Vlad, you should have made the holes for the backup sensors. I like backup sensors, don't get me wrong, but on a luxury big car like a Mercedes or a Bentley or something big and luxury, but this I feel like a sport car and backup sensors. You don't need no backup sensors for a sport car. All you need is a camera and that's all we got. This nice camera for the back and we're good. So next we're gonna go inside the office. I'll show you guys all the paperwork and the plates that we got already, temporary plates. I'll start doing the full detail inside out and get the car ready. Customer arriving tomorrow from the airport and today is Friday, so he should be arriving tomorrow around 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna go pick him up and he's gonna see his baby for the first time. Well, he saw it before when I bought it. He came by the shop, so but this is gonna be his first time looking at car after we're all done with it. So super excited. So let's go. I'll show you guys all the paperwork for the registration and we'll start detailing the car. So let me show you guys once again. You guys seen what I had to do to register a salvage vehicle, so let me show you all the paperwork. So you got to do lights and brake and smog inspection, and then you have your salvage certificate from Texas and VIN verification. So once you do all those steps, you get something like this. You get temporary plates on the car. He should get the plates in a week or so, and the title probably a few weeks, and that's it. Simple and easy. So once again, if you're a California buyer and you buy a car from us, I'll take care of all that paperwork. All you do is pay for the sales tax, registration, and the DMV paperwork, and that's it. Easy and simple, and the car will be registered. You don't have to go to no DMV, stand in line, or any of that stuff. So super easy. My guy just arrived. We're gonna do a full, complete detail inside out, so the car looks brand new. The car is almost ready. The guys are just doing a hand wax to make it look 100% brand new. Mr. Christian killed it once again, like a brand new car. We did 3 steps polish, and now he's doing a hand wax, and the car is ready. So I'm gonna go to the airport right now and pick up the customer. He's arriving in 30 minutes. So let's go together and pick him up. What do you guys say? Let's do it. And we're gonna take the good old S-Class. That's gonna be our Uber for the day. Look at this beast. Looking good. Nice and clean. And then a lot of you guys been asking, hey Vlad, you didn't sell the S-Class? I thought you sold it. No, I had two identical S-Classes, except this one has 70, almost 70,000 miles, and the other one had 7,000 miles. So, big difference. So let's head down to the local airport in John Wayne, pick him up, and we'll get his reaction. We just got to the airport. Let's see, where are they at? Step down right here. Yep, oh, there they are. What's up, guys?
Hello, sir. How you doing?
Welcome, welcome. How was the flight?
Flight was good. Short.
Short? Yeah, that's
important.
That's the best.
Hey.
How are you?
Hey.
Nice to meet you, Vlad. You guys
know each other already?
Yeah, you guys ready to see your baby?
Oh yes, couldn't wait.
Yeah, he's almost done with it. He's doing the final detail and everything, so we'll see her in a minute. And we just arrived and he just cleaned up the car, finished completely. So what do you guys think? Like a new car, huh?
I knew it's beautiful, but I mean, just being next to it, man, I'm like shaking.
Yeah, last time you saw it, it was completely taken apart.
Way different, way different. Wow.
Inside. Woo! Steering wheel.
And that's what you call salvage title.
Yeah.
It's like,
How's the salvage title?
that's what you call BS.
A lot of people hear salvage, they think, oh, it's done. No, we buy salvage that are better than clean title.
Exactly. People don't understand it, you know?
Yeah.
In Europe, yes, there were comments, I'm from Poland, that's correct. And in Poland, we're able to put one car from 3 different cars.
Yeah, but those are
nothing close.
Those are
awesome.
The scary cars that you want to stay away from. But yeah, this is what we like to buy. Barely attached, and it's good as new. That's gonna be your weekend car. Yeah. Hey, Dad, let me borrow it.
Maybe. Hopefully.
I don't mind. I didn't have that opportunity at his age.
Yeah. Start it up. And that's with the closed valves, and then you put her in sport, the valves open up. Sounds better than the real one.
For you.
Thank you, my friend, thank you. Beauty. This is what I love. That's it, so we're done with paperwork. Once again, another happy customer.
Yes,
Thank you.
And I'll return. I'll be back.
I'll be back. Thank you for trusting me to build you your beautiful
Yes,
car.
I'm glad I trusted you.
Pleasure.
I'm not regretting it.
Yeah, and the best part, we build a good relationship
Oh yes.
over what, couple of months.
Exactly.
I feel like I know you all my life now.
Yes, we trigger right away, and
Yeah.
I hope it's gonna last forever.
Forever. So next, he wants a car. We're gonna try to find him a nice Audi
Yeah, S4.
S4, something sporty for the kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, so perfect car, happy customer. Well, it's time for us to go to a restaurant,
Some fun.
have some fun, get some food, maybe a drink or two, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
So thank you guys once again. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!
See ya.
Bye.